Back in January, Stuart Rhodes, founder of the Oath Keepers, was charged with seditious conspiracy to overthrow the government in connection with events leading up to and including the January 6th breach on the U.S. Capitol. Alexandria attorney Edward Tarpley is representing Rhodes, and he explains who the Oath Keepers are and what they stand for.
It's focused on opposition to a tyrannical form of government, so they are definitely, they would definitely be considered a group that is concerned about any government overreach by the federal government into the daily lives of citizens.
Seditious conspiracy has only been prosecuted a handful of times in the history of the country. Tarpley explains why he thinks his client is innocent of the charges.
Mr. Rhodes did not enter the Capitol, did not tell anyone to enter the Capitol, and there was certainly no effort to overthrow the government. So, we think that that the government has overreached on this case. We disagree with the charges that have been levied against Mr. Rhodes, and we intend to provide a vigorous defense.
Here's what one Pineville resident had to say about the January 6th incident.
There are plenty of people in this country that are upset about what's going on with our government, and I don't think everybody's still upset about it. Was it right that they went in the building? Probably not, but people are still very upset about what's going on in our world right now.
We reached out to the Department of Justice for the story, but they declined to comment. Tarpley talks about the case that is one of the largest the government has ever prosecuted.
It's a massive case. This is one of the largest cases ever brought in the United States by the federal government. Attorney General Merrick Garland said, I think a couple of months ago, that I think more resources have been put on this case than any other case in history. It's a huge case. It involves thousands of hours of video, thousands of documents, hundreds and hundreds of witnesses. It's a massive case. So, the trial that will start on September 27th is going to be a historic trial, and so I'm, honored to be a part of it, to be there in this case. There will be constitutional issues that we'll have a chance to litigate that most lawyers never have a chance to do in their careers.
Joel Massey, ABC 31 News that works for you.